Liz thinks I'm odd. I mean, that is fair. But all she does is embarrass me. Like when she pretended to have found air in her food so she doesn't have to pay. They had cameras everywhere, so of course we got caught. Or when she slid a love note to the waiter. That turned out fine. They're a couple now. It's fair to call me odd. I'm a loner. I avoid any form of human interactions, except for Liz. She's not obnoxious like most people. If it were left up to me, I'd live in a very remote village with plenty of books and never speak to another human ever again.
I'm having the usual. What do you want?
I don't think I want anything.
What? You made me drag you out of the house to come watch me eat.
Told you I didn't want to come.
Hate you sometimes. Why are you reading the menu if you don't want anything? Oh, here comes that witch.
You don't have to be hostile, Elizabeth. We'll just come and say hello.
Hope, we don't have time for your wahala today. Please leave.
Won't you defend me, sis?
Just go.
Anyways, I have a date.
Can you imagine that cow? You don't need to be afraid of Hope.